Hi guys, let's take a tour of the new concrete pour. About 50 cubic yards of concrete was poured a few days ago on Wednesday. This is the so-called emu slab where we put our tables for laying out the kalua pork and other emu edibles. This is where we would store our firewood. New drain line. Another hose bib. I was told about in a week the concrete strength would reach about 80% of its rating. Tie in with the road. See some of the saw cuts. Nice to put an electronic gate here. An extension for parking. Wow, those mangoes look ripe. It's a Florigon mango. Bachva tree, we're gonna have to dig a little 2-foot trench. Put some root guard. Prevent upheaval of the concrete. Tie in with the pedestrian bridge. Parking space. Maybe 2 or 3 here. Further down the driveway. Tie in with the nursery. Tie in with another pedestrian bridge. Footprints from chickens. There you have it. There's Bruce and Gertrude. And we have a view here of the major part of the driveway overview. Thanks for watching.